The fear of losing your passport is real, and for good reason. One slip and you could be stranded in a foreign land, losing access, memories, and time. But not anymore. With the Tag8 Smart QR Passport Holder, you can travel with confidence. If lost, anyone can scan the QR code to reach you instantly. No app needed. Say goodbye to passport panic. Introducing the Tag8 Smart QR Passport Holder, designed for ultimate peace of mind. With dynamic contact updates and email alerts on every QR scan, keep track of your passport. Finder ensures it finds its way back to you. Seamless communication ensures a quick recovery. If your passport is lost and cannot be recovered, we've got you covered. We'll reimburse you for the cost of a new one. No questions asked. Also, enjoy RFID protection and premium handcrafted leather, all while being connected to a global lost and found network. Getting started is easy. Let's
Just
get
scan
into
the
how to
QR
get started.
code
Printed on your smart passport tag using your phone camera. You'll be instantly redirected to the Tag8 dashboard, a secure platform where you manage your tag. Already a Tag8 user? Just log in. New here? Sign up, it only takes a minute, or simply log in using your Apple or Google ID. Once you log in, you will be automatically directed to the Activate tag page, where the owner ID will already be pre-filled. Review your owner ID and click Activate. Your 7-digit alphanumeric owner ID is located below the QR code. In the passport dashboard, you'll find 3 icons: Edit, Scan Page, and More Options, 3 dots. To activate a new passport tag, use the Activate tag option on the left. And just like that, your smart passport tag is activated and connected to your identity. If someone finds your passport and scans the QR code, they're taken to a page where they can instantly notify you. You get an instant email alert with the exact GPS location of the scan, helping you track and recover your passport faster than ever. If your item gets lost, don't worry. We've got you covered with loss reimbursement. It's our way of giving you complete peace of mind while you travel.